Gold Kili Instant Matcha Latte is a super easy and convenient mix that allows you to enjoy matcha latte anytime you want. It is quick to make since all you need to do is pour the packet of instant tea into a mug of hot water. These packets are easy to carry with you in your purse or backpack to be able to drink matcha latte on the go. You can take these packets to work or school and enjoy at your convenience. The brand of matcha latte is from Gold Kili, a company based in Singapore. Gold Kili has over 2 decades of experience innovating, manufacturing, and distributing great tasting instant beverages. Their proprietary blends and modern processing methods provide customers with fresh flavors of the natural ingredients used in all of their instant beverages. This instant matcha latte is no exception. Like their other instant beverages, this mix allows you to enjoy a great cup of tea without any hassle. Matcha is a green tea with vegetal grassy flavors and pleasant bitter undertones. Matcha latte is a smooth tea with a vibrant hue that provides an energized boost, but without the buzz and crash of coffee. The earthy taste of matcha tea is vegetal and grassy, but doesn't taste like dirt. The temperature of matcha latte can affect how you taste it, so I recommend you try it both hot and cold to see how you like it. The serving size of this tea is 1 sachet. Each pouch contains 120 calories, 4 grams of fat, no cholesterol, 50 milligrams of sodium, 20 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, 14 grams of sugar, and 1 gram of protein. The benefits of matcha tea include antioxidants and nutrients that contain anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants have been shown to stimulate metabolism, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation. This instant matcha latte can be prepared either hot or cold. If you choose to drink it hot, pour the contents of the sachet into a cup and add 180 milliliters of water. Stir well and serve. To serve this beverage cold, pour the contents into a cup and dissolve it in 90 milliliters of hot water. Then add in ice and serve. I recommend you try it out both ways and taste for yourself which way you prefer it. This matcha latte instant beverage is a great way to enjoy matcha. It is convenient and simple. Now I'm going to open this up and show you how it looks. I'll prepare this tea in hot water. Here you can see the colors and how it looks. This tea has an amazing aroma and it tastes great. I highly recommend it and I hope you'll try it out.
Enjoy. Bye bye.